Hey everybody, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to blend two images here in Canva. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time in Canva, I want you to click the sign up option. And from here, just follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. Blending two images in Canva involves using techniques like adjusting transparency, layering images, and using effects. Once you are logged into your account, I want you to click on the Create a New Design if you haven't already, or open an existing project or a design that you're working with. In my case, I'm gonna click in creating a blank YouTube thumbnail because after recording this video, I'm gonna upload the video along with the thumbnail. In my case, I'm gonna put in a perfect example is of an image right here. Say I'm gonna hover to the photos here. I wanted to upload a specific image like this one maybe. This is gonna be the first image. This is basically gonna be the background. All right, I'm gonna zoom that in. All right, so perfect. Now, what I'm going to do is go to the elements right here and type in gradient or gradients, right? I'm going to add in something like an effect. Now, on the gradients, I want you to click on the graphics, not the photos, so you have like a limited options. And the gradient will vary depending on your preferences. In my case, I'm gonna be using something like this gradient. Hold on. Let me just search for it. Maybe this is okay. I'm gonna make it like two of them. Like copy that and duplicate right here. Around here, and then now you can add more of these right here because this is where we are going to add the second image, or maybe on this side. Now, once you have like created a blank canvas for the next image, I'm going to click on the add a page. This is where I'm going to put in the second image that I wanted. I'm hovering again to the photos, and I'm going to add something like maybe this guy right here. All right. Now this one. This guy right here. Okay, so I'm gonna click on this. Now what I'm going to do is copy the gradients here. Copy that. Go here. Paste that. Now I'm going to download both of these images so I can basically blend the two of them, all right? So I'm going to click on share and click on download, say like a JPEG for now for the two of them. All right. You see, you can select two pages at the same time, or if you want, you can select the one page and two page. Click on done. Now what I'm going to do is add another page so I can combine two of them. All right, I'm gonna click this. Now once both of them are added, all I have to do is hover to this. All right, and there's gonna be an option here. See, there's gonna be transparency if you want. You see that? Or this one. You can add transparency all you want, and basically that's how you blend two photos here in Canva. All right, now just to check, click the presenter's view, because blending images in Canva is all about creatively using transparency, positioning, and effects to create a seamless look. It's an effective way for you to give your designs a professional touch and achieve artistic effects like overlays or double exposure. All right. After that, once you're happy with this, how it looks, click on the share button, and of course, you can download the file that you wanted. You can use PNG, JPEG, or PDF, or even SVG, which is best for web design and animations. Thank you so much for watching, and we will see you again in the next video.